Today I'll be making mojito. Hi guys, my name is Istis from Miami to the world. Welcome to my channel. Mojito is one of the most popular cocktails in the world. The cocktail that came from Cuba, and I'll show you 3 different variations of how to make the best mojito in the world. First one, it's original Cuban mojito. I've been to Cuba myself and I tasted the original mojito there, and it's really amazing. I don't know, maybe it's the vibes, maybe it's holiday vibes, or maybe just amazing country of Cuba, but I really love mojito there, even if I don't really like this cocktail too much. So I'll show you how to make the real Cuban mojito with American ingredients, because the real one only can happen in Cuba. Let's start. For Cuban mojito, we need 2-3 sprigs of mint. We don't need to take only leaves. We take everything with a steam. Smash it for one time just to get aromas. I put it straight into the glass. Second ingredient is sugar, and it's a white one. Three spoons of sugar and half lime. I squeeze it straight to the glass. And now I pour some soda water, or actually sparkling water, because the real Cuban mojito is with sparkling water. And I mix everything. I also gently push the mint. You don't need to smash the mint, because mint can get bitter if you smash it too much. And the real version of mojito, you have to wait for 1-2 minutes for all this consistency to stand and to rest. 2 minutes. Okay, now we can go further. Now we take the ice, and it's cubed ice, full glass of ice, and now it's rum. Real Cuban mojito should be made with real Cuban rum, but you can't have real Cuban rum in America, so I'm using Bacardi. Bacardi was started in Cuba and then it moved to Puerto Rico, so at least it has some connections in Cuba. For a good Cuban mojito, you should use something around 2 ounces of Cuban rum. In Cuba, we don't measure the rum, and then you mix a bit. Add a bit more ice. Garnish. I'll garnish it with mint spring. Remember, always smash your mint before garnishing or before using it. It will get much more aroma. Everybody will feel more mint in the room. A slice of lime. And I'm going to use a straw. We don't use this in Cuba, but we are not in Cuba, so it's a little bit touched by my twist, so I'm using these amazing pasta live straws. These are amazing because they are made from pasta, so they are environmentally friendly, nice to look, different colors. I love that very much. I'm putting it into the cocktail. Look how beautiful it looks. It is original Cuban mojito with American twist. Second, our mojito version is my twist with kombucha. It's very simple. We take the same glass. We basically do everything the same. 2-3 sprigs of mint, depending on size, just a little bit different. This time we take the mint in our hand and we have to domesticate it. And if you haven't seen or you don't know how to do it, so check my video on domesticating the mint. And always make cocktails with love, passion and energy. I domesticated this mint before, so I don't need to do it now. You just check it and you will know how to do it as well. I just smash it Put it in the glass. 3 spoons of sugar. Half fresh lime juice. This time I'm not using sparkling water. I'm using an amazing drink called kombucha with any taste, original taste. I'm pouring just a bit for now, and again mixing everything and gently squeezing the mint. As with the first version, we have to wait 2 minutes for the mint, for everything to merge there. Now we can continue. Ice. Full glass. And this time I'm going to use this amazing plantation Jamaican rum. It's one of my most favorite rums, and I'm going to use, of course, 2 ounces of this amazing rum. One more stir to chill everything. Some more rice and some more kombucha. Garnish. And this time we're going to put a lime wheel like that. Of course, don't forget environmentally friendly straws. And enjoy your drinks, guys. Cheers! Third version of Mojito is Royal. For that, we will need the same glass, but we will make everything a little bit different. And actually it's going to be a Royal Mojito with European twist. We'll be shaking, so I'm going to make everything in a shaker. We need mint, and this time we'll be using only leaves, no stems. A bit more. We'll be using like that bunch of mint. Of course, you have to spank it all the time. 3 spoons of white sugar. Lime. This time we are using half lime, but we cut it in small pieces. And we muddle everything. Just try to be gentle, because if you smash mint too much, it gets bigger. Then we need 2 ounces of rum. Of course, what else do we put? Love, passion and energy into the cocktail, and now we will show exactly how much energy we put in our cocktail. We close our shaker. And now let's do some energy. Boom! Energy, love and passion is mixed together with all the ingredients. We're not going to strain it. We pour everything in the glass. Put some more ice. And we're going to top everything up with Prosecco. little stir, and our cocktail is ready. Only the garnish. And we are ready. Cheers, guys! Thank you guys for watching this my video. I really hope you got inspired to make some amazing mojitos. Tell me in the comments below which one you like the most. The original one, my twist with kombucha and dark red Jamaican rum, or the royal one with prosecco, or you can even make it with champagne if you want to make it really royal. And please subscribe my channel, smash button like. It really helps this video to be seen by more people, and this gives me more courage to make more amazing videos and content and share my experience with you. So thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you in next videos. And by the way, guys, I just remind you that by the way guys, I just remind you that